What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add money to Wise. So once you have your Wise app open guys and you want to go ahead and add money, just go ahead and choose the currency that you want to add the money to. You can go ahead and you can select the currency and you can choose the add there, or you can simply click and add money at the top and then go ahead and choose the currency that you want. So any option that you choose, you can go ahead and do so. Now with the payment option, you want to go ahead and choose a section that says paying with, and you can choose whether or not you want to pay with debit card. You can change that, and you can even use, for example, Google Pay. So let's say you want to go ahead and use a debit card. You can go ahead and choose debit card, and of course you want to go ahead and ensure that the cards that you have is in fact selected and it's also added to your account. Now keep in mind that you want to ensure that you select the right amount, right? So in case I want to transfer, let's say 100, I can go ahead and I can enter the amount, ensure that I select the Google Pay, and then go ahead and click and continue. Now, once I do that, my Google Pay will appear and I can simply go ahead and click and continue and enter my PIN. It's going to take my fingerprint. That's how I have it set up. And once it is done, I will go ahead and I will choose to pay because it will allow me to add the money there. So I'm going to simply go ahead and choose pay. And once I do that, it will show that it's working on it and you will see it's in progress. And within a moment, it should add that 100 to it. And as you can see, it's all done. I've added 100. I can simply tap on done and you can see my balance change immediately. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and add money to your Google Pay. You will receive an email as well. As you can see, immediately I receive an email. Let me go ahead and show you what that email looks like. You can see it says 100 has been added to my Wise account. And that's it guys. Very easy and very simple.